In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Facebook leads to Klaviyo. First of all, log into your Klaviyo account. Once you are here, scroll down on the left-hand side menu and click on Integrations. This is the section where you manage connected apps. Once inside, you will see the integrations already connected to your account. To add a new one, click on Explore Apps at the upper right-hand side of your screen. This will open the Klaviyo app marketplace in a new tab. Here, search for meta ads or look for it in the list. If you can't find it right away, you can use the search bar to locate it. Once you find it, click on it and then click on the Install option. After that, click on Connect to Meta Ads. At this point, you'll be redirected to a new page where you need to choose the Facebook pages you want Klaviyo to have access to. If you have multiple pages, you can select specific ones, or you can select the option to opt into all current and future pages. Once you've made your choice, click on Continue. After that, if you have multiple business accounts in Meta, you will need to choose one of them. Alternatively, you can again select the option to opt into all current and future business accounts. Once you've done that, click on Continue again. Now you will see a list of permissions that Klaviyo will have for your Facebook account. Simply review them and then click on Save. At this point, your Facebook Leads or Meta Ads account will be successfully connected. Klaviyo will confirm the connection and you can click on Got It. Now, the purpose of this video is to show you how to connect Facebook Leads to Klaviyo, but as you can see, you can also proceed with setting up Meta Ads. First, select what you want to sync and then click on Next at upper right-hand side. On the next screen, you'll see the main step if you want to import your Klaviyo contacts into Facebook Leads as potential buyers. In the first drop-down menu, click on it and select from a list of your Klaviyo lists and segments. Choose whichever you want to import into Facebook Leads or Meta Ads Manager. In the second drop-down menu, you can select from existing audience lists in your Facebook account. If you don't already have one, you can type in a custom name and create a new audience list right here. Since I am not the owner of this particular Facebook business account, I cannot proceed with this step in the video, but if you are the owner, you will be able to complete it easily. Once you select the list, click on Next at the upper right-hand side to finish the process. And this is how you can connect Facebook Leads to Klaviyo.